Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about selling cryptocurrency. It's simpler than you might think, so let's dive right in. To sell cryptocurrency, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange app or website. There are many out there, but make sure to pick a trustworthy one with good reviews. Step 1. Create an account. Just like any other platform, you'll need to sign up and provide some basic information. Great! You're almost there. Now, link your bank account or any payment method you prefer. Step 2. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. You might have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other options in your wallet. Now, decide how much you want to sell. You can sell a little or all of it if you'd like. Step 3. Set your selling price. You have two options here: you can sell at the current market price or set a price you're comfortable with. Once you're happy with everything, click that Confirm button, and voila, your cryptocurrency is up for sale. See, it's not so complicated. Just remember, the cryptocurrency market can be unpredictable, so be prepared for some price fluctuations. When someone buys your cryptocurrency, the money will be transferred to your linked bank account. Easy peasy. And here's a bonus tip for you: always be mindful of taxes. Depending on where you live, selling cryptocurrency may have tax implications. Stay informed to avoid any surprises later. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about selling cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.